$120, $150, $200 with no experience. No, you can't do that. They know the strategy, but they don't want to put in the work. They need the result, but they don't want to put in the work. It's not the strategy that lacks. It's the motivation to do and the effort to, the motivation to put in the effort is what lacks. The effort is what. How can you get freelance clients with no experience? Now, it's not hard thing because many of my students have been doing this. So I'll just be sharing what I share with my students, with my inner circle members. I'll just be sharing with you. So getting freelance clients with no experience is not something that is hard. It just needs more effort from you, more time, and more energy. When I have talked with my people like team members, students, when I see them, it's not the strategy that lacks. It's the motivation to do and the effort to, the motivation to put in the effort is what lacks. The effort is what lacks. It's not the strategy that lacks, but the effort is that the thing that lacks. Because I've seen many people, they know the strategy, but they don't want to put in the work. They need the result, but they don't want to put in the work. I don't want you to do this. I want you to know what is happening with you. If you are also thinking something like that, something needs to change, right? So if you have the same kinds of problem, just go to the description box below and let me know that you don't have that motivation to do work, and I'll make another video. So assuming that you have that effort and motivation to do more, I'll tell you how you can do that. The first thing is work for free, literally work for free. Like, go and approach different businesses and work for free because you don't have experience. You need to get experience because people trust. They don't trust you, but they trust your works. They trust your results, right? So work for free for a few companies, like 1-2 companies. And then once you have the portfolio, once you have the experience, then just start from the lowest charge possible. Start from $5. Increase 10, like each client you get, increase a little bit of amount, increase and then get to your threshold, right? So that's that way you can get more clients. Because what happens is in most of the people that I see, they just charge way more, like $120, $150, $200 with no experience. No, you can't do that. You have to gradually increase your experience and gradually increase your product price value, right? So it's about your value, how much value you have. Now you can go to the freelance sites like Upwork, Freelancer, Fiverr, these things, make your profile on them and start making money. So start from the lowest price possible, but before making those profile, work for free for few companies, because then you will have some experience to show to those clients that will come through those freelance platform. And be visible. I've talked about this many things on making money with Python programming and programming in one video I've just linked over here. You can just check that out, okay? And once you have checked that out, you will know more about it, okay? So that's it for me today. Just go to this video over here, I button somewhere here, and just watch that video. If you are new to this elite community of Kovid Panthy, just subscribe to this channel right now and click that notification bell so that you will get notified and be the part of an elite community. And not only be the part by subscribing, but commenting, be the actual supporter of this community, and get to know more people. Here are legit people. That means you can get some opportunity. Like, post something meaningful comment, maybe someone will give you opportunity, or maybe search for comment. Maybe there are some entrepreneur, they are wanting your work, some kinds of work like you, and then you guys can collaborate. So that's it from me today. Watch my other videos over here. Subscribe by clicking here. I'll see you in the next one.